Hello YouTube, this is another update video on the Mp5k. I've added more detailing onto it and made it more exact. I'll show you what I'm doing up here in a minute, but as you can see back here, I added on this back piece, and in the front I added these to close off the cylinder, and I added a hole for the I can't think today, where the shells come out of. I can't think, out of the chamber. Well, up here I took a pen and took it apart. Now I'm going to use this so I can bring the told you I said I can't think today, the firing mechanism, the bolt back, bring it back. That will just slide back. I'm trying to think about what I can put on the end of here to make it more smooth. It'll just, I might take another spring and put it on there just so it strong. Built pretty well, actually. You can bang it around a little bit. It's pretty tough. Starting to look like the real thing. And when I am done with that, I'm gonna put the Call of Duty Modern Warfare type, like the CQB attachments, the tactical rails over it and on the side. I think that'll be pretty cool. Well, I'm Arrowhead Reviews, and that is an update on my build for my Mp5k. Rate, comment, and subscribe. See ya.